Spucky, you have horns. Limey. Limey. Limey.
Oh my god, that's so cute! What's wrong, my birdies? I am Ace Ventura. You love me? Boo boo! Boo boo boo! Boo 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 boo! Boo 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 boo! Boo 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 boo! You're my big poo poo! You're a big poo poo! No bites! No bites allowed! No, it's okay. You're a big poo poo! Good morning! Oh, I woke up. I was working all morning, early on, so I've been sleeping, taking a midday nap. So yeah, let me just show you what I've done today, what troubles we've gotten up to. So let me start with the first thing.
I need to close the car. Oh, would you?
3D. This one does not want to break, does it? So I cleaned up all the woods that the goats have eaten today. We might need to cut a bit more because we have some new plans, what we want to do with these woods and where we want to use them. Might have some cool ideas. So yeah, suggest us what to do with woods like this that are not straight.
They
They are sideways.
they are a bit straight for what we need them.
Enough straight.
Yeah, it's going to the pile.
What happened, Pepe? Where did you go?
Let him eat grass. He was eating grass. Poor boy.
Oh, baby. He's feeling like this stuff. Clean the inside, yeah. There's a rust in there. I seen it yesterday.
What's wrong?
Promotion, you better clean it good. Yeah. Don't talk back to me. People hate me. Guys, do you think I can take this whole pile in one go? I really don't think so, but I can give it a try. Okay, let's fold it over. Oh.
Fold it or fold you?
I fold it over. Okay. Fold it over again. Okay.
I don't even see you.
Let's go.
Ooh, you did it! You did it!
I'm sitting on this egg. I made it dirty. I have to clean it now. Pepe has been biting the car a lot. He has made scratches everywhere. He does not want to go to sleep. He wants to be with the car 24/7. It's his favorite thing.
No. You see, he's defending. He's protecting it.
Fights people against it. I'm allowed because I'm allowed on everything that he owns. I own him, I guess. Yeah. He has to bite the wheels. He has to clean it. He has to make sure it's in good condition. And we do not really care about it getting scratched because we have another thing to show you around there.
It's coming over there. I think it's coming. I think it's driving in.
It's coming with it. Who could it be?
Who could it be?
Oh!
Pew pew.
Could be Pepe. Just like, don't do that shit with my girl. Hello. So, exciting news. We got a car. Finally, we upgraded from that old one, which was rusting away, but that gives us a perfect opportunity to have a car for the field instead of breaking the car that we drive on the road, in case it breaks down, for example. But yeah, this is really exciting. It's a really good car, a much bigger car, so you have a lot more space. I mean, this has the
spare tire.
because this thing is running on gas instead of petrol. It does run on petrol and gas, so both. But that's a lot of space compared to that. I don't have the keys for that, but like
Yeah,
the
you
seats,
remember.
the seats end here, I think, something like that. They go
Yeah.
like really sharp, and then you get that, you know, tiny space. But yeah, this is a lot of space. I do need to clean it out and wash it. This car does not have any rust, so that's a plus because you don't need to worry about anything. Everything has been done. One owner car, so it's been taken care of by one guy all his, not all his life. The car's life has been taken care of by one person and being properly taken care of in servicing and oils and everything's changed. Everything is changed on this now with fresh brakes, fresh timing belts, fresh everything is freshly done, so it seems amazing. When you drive down the road, it feels like a brand new car, how it should be. That one felt like you're driving a horse cart, I think, something like that.
Yeah.
The same. But yeah, that's the exciting news. You don't have to worry about a car for at least a year, probably even more, because this car is in such a good condition. But this car has a technical inspection pass until next April, so fully a year till we have to go and do the inspection again. Hopefully no problems arise that we need to fix and cost a lot, or are not worth doing, making it not able to pass. But I think it's gonna pass. It feels so good.
He
on the
said
road.
it should pass
Yeah, it
if
should
we
pass.
don't.
So I think it's gonna be perfectly fine. And yeah, we have to sort out still insurance and tax and all those things.
Yeah, we're gonna do
but
those.
yeah, that's like things we have to do on our own. But yeah,
It's not something we can show you.
let's do something else. What do
I
we
don't
do?
know, we'll see.
We'll see what we do today. Bye bye.
What's going on here, Gigant? Not scary, not scary. Don't be scared. Go not Poo-Poo. Say go not to your car, Poo-Poo. Let's go, Poo-Poo. He's foodie. Baba, he's foodie.
Let's go. No.